Hey everyone, it's Monday, so you know what that means. It's another Mythbuster Monday. I'm Greg Anderson with Caliber Home Loans, and today I'm coming to you from Cannon Beach, Oregon. You can see Haystack Rock over my shoulder here. Beautiful place. It's been nice to get out after being stuck at home so long with COVID. But anyway, just wanted to talk to you today about something that a lot of people don't understand, and that is credit. And how to use your credit and how to manage your accounts. I had a client over the weekend here who came to me. He had just closed down a credit card he was no longer using, and unfortunately it dropped his credit score almost 100 points. So this is something that a lot of folks don't think about, and that is your usage of your credit to the available amount of credit that you have is a very important aspect to your credit score. So for instance, if you have $10,000 total credit available to you and you've used $5,000 of that, then you've got a 50% usage. But if you have $20,000 available to you and you've used $5,000, that's 25%. It's going to give you a better credit score with that type of a ratio. So what I always tell people is if you have credit cards that you're not using, don't close them down, especially before you're ready to make a new purchase. Also, if you get an offer in the mail from your current credit company and they say, hey, you've really been making all your payments on time, we really like you as a customer, we're gonna up your credit line. If that is not taking a new application, you should absolutely do that, okay? So don't open a new card, but if they're willing to extend additional credit to you because of your on-time payment history, you should absolutely do that. So there's your tip for today. If you got some value out of this, please share and like, and we look forward to talking to you. You can reach out to us at 425-765-3115 or team.anderson@caliberhomeloans.com. Have a great week.